Hi everyone, this is Tech Teacher and I will share a new tech trick to you today. How to merge PDFs into one PDF on iOS. There are two PDF files in a folder. I want to merge and reorder them. How to merge them for free? I have a free way for you. First, go to the Shortcuts app and create an empty shortcut. Enter a name for shortcut, and this is optional. Search for the select file function, then tap select file. Enable select multiple function in order to select multiple PDF files. Search for the make PDF function, then tap make PDF. Finally, search for the save files function. This enables users to save the merged PDF files. Tap Save File. Let's run the shortcut. Tap the three dot icon near Cancel. Tap Select, then select your PDF files. Tap Open to finish. Then save your merged file. Then go back to the Files app and check back the folder. You can see a new PDF appeared. You can see that the two PDFs are merged into one PDF file. Long tap and drag the page to rearrange the PDF. All done. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Goodbye.